Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tubi app you click on settings. As you see here, in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Tubi and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.